What if I tell you that you can now convert text into designs, and those designs will be converted into websites, fully editable code, just with a couple of lines of text using AI? Hi everyone, my name is Adebanjo Marvelous. I'm a full stack developer with 2 years of experience, and I've been building softwares for different startups all over the world. In this video, I'll be showing you how AI can help you build websites in seconds. So let's dive into the video and make sure you hit the like button.
Welcome back to our channel, Tech Up Your Life with Marvel D Creator. Your ultimate guide to all things tech.
So guys, this is the first AI tool I'll be showing you, and it is called Mixio. So Mixio is basically an AI tool that helps us create our startup website in seconds. And so all we need to do is to just put in our business or our startup idea here, and in few seconds our website will be up and running. So I already have a startup idea which I will just be pasting here. So we're basically going to create a landing page for a software agency called Marvel the Creator that offers software development services, including everything from website development to mobile app development and A/B testing. So let's generate our website. So right now it's connecting to the AI. It creates a site name, it creates our site logo, it creates everything we need for a website. It even helps us optimize our website using SEO. Also, it helps us with Google tracking, so we can always track our users and our traffic every time on this website. So basically, as you can see, it's generating the website for us, and between few seconds, not up to 20 seconds, our website is now up and running. As you can see, it is so beautiful. Wow, it's created a logo for us. Our business name is right here. Wow, develop your digital presence with Marvel the Creator. This is so beautiful. So we have our website description here. It also helps us capture email leads. Wow, that's beautiful. We have a testimonial section. It's so beautiful. We have a logo here. Wow, that's crazy. That's beautiful. We also have an additional testimonial section right here. We have the list of communities here, and this is very beautiful. This is so beautiful. So as you can see, no matter what kind of idea you have, you can use this AI tool to build your website in just few seconds, and it's so beautiful. As you can see, it is content optimized for SEO. So these things, we can customize it to our own taste. Then you can also have your own custom domain. So you can link into your custom domain and your website will be up and running. So the next tool I will introduce to you guys is Galileo. So Galileo is an AI tool that basically helps you turn your design into an app. So once you have an idea of how you want your mobile app to be, all the designs of your mobile app will be converted just with your text. So just you put in the kind of mobile app design you want, with your text, it automatically develops that design for you. And you can basically edit the design of your app into Figma. So all the designs of your app which the AI has created for you, it is very editable in Figma. So as you can see, this is how it works. Just type in your text and it designs your mobile app for you. And also, this is all you get. You can generate a complex UI flash, like your splash screen, everything. You can make it through text, and it automatically builds everything into a mobile app design, which you can actually edit in your Figma. So right here, you don't even need to hire a designer to help you build a design for your mobile app. You don't need to spend so much money paying designers to build this for you, and you don't need any design knowledge for you to do this. Just dropping your ideas there in the text box, and it automatically makes the design of your mobile app for you, and you can basically export it to your Figma. So it basically converts your text into a Figma file. So this is it. It is actually not out yet. It is not released yet, but you can also access it, and you can just register for it, and in a short period of time you can start to build your mobile app design in few steps and a few seconds. So this is a very great tool for you to use to build a mobile app design. So the last AI tool I'll be showing you is called Bifrost. So basically Bifrost is an AI tool that converts your Figma file into React. Here's what's beautiful about using these two tools, Galileo and Bifrost. Galileo converts your text to Figma, then Figma being converted using Bifrost to a React code. Then now you can publish your website. So the React file you've already gotten from here, you can just convert it with Bifrost into React code and makes your app live and running. So this is very cool and beautiful. So you don't need to hire a developer for this also. Yeah, this is it. Never write front-end code from scratch again. Use AI to turn your Figma designs into clean React code. So this is very easy and beautiful. So you can come to this website, register, and start converting your Figma files into clean code. And as you can see, it generates clean code, cutting engineering time. So it gives you less stress to build your app like we full stack developer build overnight and overnight and overnight. And also it empowers your designs. That beautiful design on Figma for your app will still be intact. So it is just there, but it's just that you will still need to add or include the database. You need to connect the database from the front end to the back end and everything. So it is all good. These are 3 AI tools that can actually help you have your own startup agency, building any type of website you want, building any type of mobile app you want, without you paying expensive money to full stack developers, mobile app developers, UI UX designers. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like the video and share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.
The sweetness, you depend them, I see depend them, for my the sweetness.